Wow, you sold it for that cheap, son. Welcome to Live Case Break. This is Larry. We are doing a Prospect Rush Divisional 5-box break. I've got Dirt with the entire American League. I've got the NL East. And Will has got the NL Central and NL West. Got my knife here. And we're going to go and break this. Good luck. You sold it for $300? Oh my God. That was a good port. Well, let's see what we got in the bonus. That's good advertising. What, that song is a retard? Okay. Stetson Alley. Jesse Biddle. And a Chris Sale auto. So we got one card for each of us there. See what our slabs look like. First slab goes to Dirt, and the next slab is uh-oh! First slab, Yu Darvish, Texas Rangers 9-5. Second slab for the Washington Nationals, Matt Perk, and that goes to yours truly, I believe. Matt Perk, red auto refractor 9-5. Nate, what is the scouting? Okay, no problem. I'll break it right after this for you. I guess you guys aren't letting me go to bed. Is this guy any good, Nate? I need a scouting report on him. Box 2. Son, I think you're confusing him. Terrell Pryor is not white. He's black. That can't be the case. I never heard of that guy. Well, I guess 2.8 million signing bonus is not bad. Raiders just signed Favre. Raiders just signed Favre's grandson. All right, bonus pack. All right, we got Lindor, USA. I think we should just put him with Indians, but that's my opinion. Nick Kingham for the Pirates. And Yu Darvish again for the Rangers. Let's see where our slabs are. First slab is for Will, Clayton Blackburn. Nice auto. Second slab is also for Will, Oscar Taveras 9-5 auto. That is a nice one for Will. Good one, buddy. It's a good card for sure. So we got to get Dirt a good card now. Two people have a nice card. It's Dirt's turn. Andrelton Simmons. Zach Cox auto. And a Jeff Decker auto. Eugene! Get yourself into Prospect Rush! We got blue, and it's a good player too. And it's going to have to be a random, guys. I'm pretty sure. The next card is going to be a random amongst us. Sorry. I mean, he was drafted. I don't know what the rules to this are. Steve Decker. Is the USA next? I'm pretty sure. This is Matthew Skoll for the Nats. And this is Austin Meadows, blue auto 9, USA. It can't be most spots because no one has this spot. It's not a tie. So I think this has to go in a random. Do you agree or disagree? What does the peanut gallery say? I think it has to go in a random. Who did he get drafted by? Yeah, I know, but that's not the rules Tim ever follows with this. USA is its own spot. I mean, typically we sell the spot separately. We probably should have dealt with this first. Dirt, what is your position? All right, we'll random it at the end amongst ourselves. I mean, those USA cards are always their own spot. I'll drop out of the random, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it's a good card. How much is that card worth? Can someone look it up? Can someone look it up and tell me what we're talking about here? So I don't want to screw anyone either. $200 card. Ugh. Let's leave it on the side for right this minute. All right, we got a Colton Wong. We got a free T-shirt, which will get random. That'll go, I guess, with this. The Lindor probably should go with it too. The last one is a Kevin Plawecki for the Mets auto. Slab time. Gee Willikers. All right, another colored slab on the bottom, guys. Blue. First, you got a Tyler Austin. Bowman's Best die cut 9 for the Yankees. That goes to Dirt. And then we've got a Jacob Turner blue auto 9.5 for the Tigers for Dirt. That's a nice card. Jacob Turner 9.5 blue auto. 18 out of 150. Very nice card for Dirt. So not everybody's got a real nice hit. All right, we got one box left. I don't know which of these was the case hit, but this was every box has had a good slab, I think. It was a nice card. I agree with that. All right, start out with a Shelby Miller Bowman's Best. Manny Machado. And an Aroldis Chapman. Let's see what we got. I don't know. I don't recognize the bottom card. I don't think... Oh, the bottom card is a gold auto. I'm wrong. Bottom card is a gold auto. All right, first is... That's not press pass. All right, first is a Manny Machado pristine 10, Bowman's Best. Holy crap. Dirt. Manny Machado pristine 10. And then this is a gold auto, guys. Alex Liddy. That goes to Dirt as well. 9.5/10. Alex Liddy gold auto. Still gold auto 9.5/10. All right, now going back to the controversy. Will, are you all right with the random? Are you like not? Are you gonna be like forever upset about it? Or are you okay with it? And do you want to do one random for all three things? But I don't want you to be miserable about it. All right, one random for everything. Is that cool? Everybody got a nice hit. So it's not like anybody's in a skunk position. All right, cool. Okay, cool. How many more times do you want to run it? Two more times. All right, here we go. Ready? One. First time, dirt's on the top. Who's going to win it? Here we go. Guys, it's just my night. It's just been my night. I've been on fire all night. Sorry. Guys, I'll give you guys these cards. I don't want them. Thank you. Sorry. All right.